So what we'll need for this is one Vitali, very well qualified polisher, and we need here, so we've got the P1 Nanoscopic polish, okay, and then we've also got here is wool pad. Actually, can you just remove the wool pad a sec? And one of the important things, okay, so we've got here, first of all, we've got this is the backing plate that we're using, which is, just shows the backing plate, which is nice soft edges on there. Okay, so you can get the pad curving out nicely. And one of the key features about this, all of our pads have, which looks really basic, but there's a hole in the middle, and what that means is that using, Vitaly, have you got the centering tool? So the backing plate comes with a centering tool, and basically that means the pad will be dead centre, which can be quite a difficult thing to do on pads without a centering hole. So we know that's dead centre, so you get no vibration with the pad, and you generally get a better finish with that. So that's now dead centre. So we've got that, and the P1, and one very scratched up Ferrari. So we're going to do the right side. So what we generally do is we apply the product straight onto the paint. Probably use a little bit more polish than you would with a normal polish. Spread it on, and you see it does spatter a bit. I think he's managed to spatter that a bit too much compared to normal. Okay, and we'll just see, look, we're now 2 minutes to 10. We'll just carry on polishing there. A bit of wool fibres going out, but pretty easy to clean up. So I'm just going to keep this rolling because just to show you how quickly that is. And so we're only, what speed setting are you on then, Vitaly?
Second speed.
So it's 900 RPM. You can see immediately catching the light there. You know, those swirls, that has been like less than a minute, and we've got those swirls out. Okay, we got the cloth.
Yep.
I'll just get a cloth to get that off.
Just water.
Okay, just a little dab of water because it's water soluble. This, so all these spatter marks here, whereas with a normal cutting compound that would be a bit of a nightmare to remove those. With P1, they're water based, so you can just wipe those off with a water spray. And as we've pointed out before, this is a water based polish. So if you'd done that with a normal mainstream cutting compound, you may have achieved the same result. I wouldn't even say as quick, but what you will have got there on a normal cutting compound is that you've got a lot of masking oils in there, so that would drop back. So let's remove the tape. We'll try and catch that big halogen in there. So you can see, you know, that's taken a minute. Okay, and you can see that's really. Okay, there's a bit of marring in there which we're going to remove now. With we've got basically 2 foam pads that will remove all the marring. But you know, in terms of speed, it really does make correction times come down dramatically. So you know, to correct, this is a big old car. This is like the best of its type. This is a Ferrari 412. I believe it's won various concourses. You know, we'll be correcting this whole car in what? How many hours do you think? How many hours do you think it takes to it?
3 hours for the wool pad.
Yeah.
1 hour for the foam pad.
Yeah.
Another hour deep cleaning.
Yeah.
And hour for the.
So 3, 4, 5, 6. So about 8 hours, maybe something like that.
8 hours.
6 to 8 hours. Whereas you know, with conventional systems, you could be nearly double that. Okay, that's G-Technic P system.